Iris, hi. So, நம்ம இப்போ பண்ண போகிறது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா love reading for Iris. Okay, what is the present situation and what is the immediate future? This is a general reading. It may or may not resonate, but personal reading, if you want to book a personal reading, நம்ம வந்துட்டு உங்களோட நேம் அப்புறம் உங்களோட டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த்தை வச்சு நம்ம வந்து பார்க்குறனால இது வந்து அக்யூரேட்டாக வந்து இருக்கும். Okay, what the steps you have to take, what the guidance, என்ன கைடன்ஸ் வேணும் உங்களுக்கு, இஸ் இட் த ரைட் டைம் ஆர் நாட், இஸ் இட் த ரைட் டைம் டு டூ திஸ் ஆர் நாட் அப்படின்ற ஒரு வாட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் கொஷின்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ். யூ வாண்ட் டு நோ அபவுட் யுவர் ஹெல்த், அபவுட் யுவர் ஃபினான்ஷியல் ஸ்டேட்டஸ், about your career and about your romantic relationship and about your marriage life, anything we can do through personal reading. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து will look into the present situation and the immediate future. எப்படி இருக்கும் ஃபார் ஏரிஸுக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம வந்து இப்போ வந்து பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, ஏரிஸ் love reading please. Éris love reading please. Éris love reading please. Everything seems to be very good. Wow, I'm getting a very positive card right now. Okay, if it does not resonate, please skip it. Okay, இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் resonate ஆகும்னு வந்து சொல்ல முடியாது. If it does not resonate, you can skip the video. I get 4 of Wands, Empress, 8 of Swords, 8 of Wands. There is a very fast communication is coming on the way, or very good news is coming on the way regarding your marriage, regarding your love, or somebody is could be coming through here, or somebody is coming on your way to meet you, because I'm getting all positive cards in this Aries, which is telling me that is this is a time for the celebration for the people, because this is a love reading, by the way. So for Aries, I could see the celebration or marriage, or also people, some people could expect a delivery, and some people could expect a pregnancy good news, because it is coming very fast. So I could and I also I could see you people are so worrying. Okay, you're fighting a lot within yourself. I think that's no need, it's not necessary, because whatever the good news, or somebody could be traveling for you, and also or else some good news is coming on the way for you, because that's what I get here. Yes, so the thing is you're worrying a lot, because that is what I get here, 8 of Swords and the 9 of Swords, which you no need to worry about it. You no need to worry about it. See, the truth is that's a time for a celebration. Good things are coming on the way. Okay, if you are about to give up your, you have lost, like kandipa pananma, I have lost faith, or else like I'm not at all interested, அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது வந்து இருந்தது அப்படின்னா, please don't be. Okay, please don't give up. This is not the time to give up. If you don't give up, definitely you win. This is a time to give a push. This is a time to give a push. Definitely don't give up. This is a time for victory, success, anything. It could be regarding your love. Okay. Okay. Why is the 8 of Swords is here? Why is the 8 of Swords is here for Aries love reading? This is a present situation. Time for a proper give and take in your romantic relationship. I think that is where the problem I could see. But other than that, no, I don't seem to have a very ரொம்ப பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கிற மாதிரி வந்து தெரியல. Okay, 9 of Wands. Why is the 9 of Wands is here? See the truth. Okay, balance. Give a proper balance to your love relationship. Why is the 9 of Wands is here? Mm. ஐ திங்க் யூ ஆர் ஒரியிங் மீன் நீங்களாக உங்களை வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுத்தி இது பண்ணிக்கிறீங்களோ அப்படின்னு வந்து தோணுது. பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் அ டைம் ஃபார் அ செலிப்ரேஷன், யூ நோ நீட் டு worry. The good news is on the way. Okay, don't give up. Okay, I know, regarding your relationship or whatever it is you've been going through, there is some good news is on the way, but you're worrying a lot. But don't give up. Don't give up in the situation. You will definitely win whatever the situation you're going through. Okay, let's look out what is the immediate future. Immediate future. Immediate future for Aries love reading, please. See, bottom of the deck I could see, don't give a space to the clashes, ego clashes. Okay, always don't give importance to the argument or to your ego. Give importance to the love. If you ask me, I would advise you to give importance to the love, so that definitely your love will get success. It will end in marriage, because I could see the commitment here, proper commitment, full commitment, exact commitment. Okay, it is on the way, because it's been already rooted. Okay, if not now, I mean, or commitment வந்து கண்டிப்பா வந்து இருக்கு. You no need to worry about it. Even if you worry, there is no point in worrying now, because at least they will fix it and it will happen. It will get fixed and it will happen in the immediate future, for sure, if you ask me. Okay, so I think very positive cards for Aries. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's spread only love.